What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Analytics Guy. My name is River Caraba. I am the Analytics Guy, helping you better understand and use data to achieve your goals. Guys, today I have a hot off the press video for you today, and we're talking about Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy, as you know, is a tool that you can use here on YouTube. It is incredibly effective. The last couple videos, we've actually been talking about some of these tools that you can use to be effective on YouTube, but today is a super special video. I saw some tweets kind of ominously on Twitter in the last couple days, kind of alluding to this coming out, but like you saw from the title of this video, we are talking about Tubebuddy for Alexa. So Alexa, which is the service provided by Amazon in the form of the Dot and then also the Echo. You can actually get those for yourself or a family and have them in your home. It's a connected home device. It's what the industry likes to call a God bot. Bots being different things that do little tasks for you, right? A God bot is a bot that controls other bots, right? So if you have a smart home thermometer, a Nest, right? Alexa can help control that. Things like that. So, that being said, let's jump into what we're talking about today. Tubebuddy is on Alexa, and that is interesting. So, I was at CES, as some of you know, 2 years ago. I wasn't able to go this past year, but 2 years ago, connected home was all of the buzz. A lot of people I know, for better or for worse, whether you like him or not, Gary Vaynerchuk, his kind of prediction that 2018 was going to be the year of the voice, I definitely agree with that. Voice activation, convenience, everything that connected home is moving towards. And now, even as creators, we have voice connected home capabilities, which is just really, really cool. So let's jump into this and talk about what this is. So this website right here is on tubebuddy.com/Alexa. So I'll leave this in the description below if you do want to check that out for yourself later. Tubebuddy, as you know, is a tremendously helpful service for creators that want to, no pun intended, better understand and use data, just like we do here on the Analytics Guy. I've had some conversations with Tubebuddy in the past and done some work for them. So this is not sponsored. This is not anything. I've done some trial things and given them some feedback in the past from my professional career. Just want to fully disclose that. But this is just super interesting, which is why I'm producing a video about this today. They put a video out that kind of shows like a cheeky, funny way that they have that. And then they talk about how to implement Tubebuddy on your Alexa. If you have a Echo or a Dot, all you have to do is download the Alexa app on your smartphone and then actually endorse the skills. So let's talk about that really fast here. We can bring up this screen that you see right here. So this is once you go into your Alexa app, all you do is search for Tubebuddy. Once you see Tubebuddy in there, the next thing that you have to do is just enable that skill. So the guys over at Tubebuddy have done a tremendous job to get a couple skills brought into that, and we'll try those out here in a second, just for fun, which is cool. But that's all you have to do, guys, is just enable it. As some of us know here, it is rather addictive. The whole analytics on YouTube and checking those and things like that. And now it's even more convenient, right? Because this is all you have to do. Watch this. So we have a little Echo Dot here. Alexa, ask Tubebuddy what my live subscriber count is.
The real-time subscriber count for your channels are The Analytics Guy, 68, and Riven Al, 1,726. That's one more subscribers across all your channels than last time you checked.
Hey, that's cool. That's so cool that you can see that. How about another one? One of the other skills that they can do is, hey Alexa, ask Tubebuddy how my most recent video is performing.
Your most recent upload for Riven Al, titled Explore More, Oregon, currently has 97 views, 32 comments, and 21 likes.
That's so fun. And then we'll try one more skill, which I know they do, is, hey Alexa, ask Tubebuddy what the latest YouTube industry news is.
Here are the 3 most recent video industry news headlines. 1. YouTube TV finally arrives on Roku, will launch on Apple TV very soon. 2. Ad spend across YouTube. Facebook set to reach $37 billion by 2022. 3. In first of its kind deal, YouTube TV to be exclusive broadcasting partner of MLS team.
And then we have a cat here. All right, guys, we're actually going to take a time out right there, and we are going to do our new featured spot in the analytics guy, which is the Creator Spotlight. And today, I am very excited to tell you about today's Creator Spotlight, which is the channel My Alaskan Dream. You can check them out in the description bar below, but they're a subscriber here to the Analytics Guy, comment on some of our videos often, want to give them some love. They're all about living off the grid in Alaska. So that is super cool. I am an outdoorsman, as some of you may know. I love that on our vlogging channel. My wife and I, we go out in the wilderness all the time, so I'm going to be spending probably copious amounts of time watching this channel. Very, very cool if you're interested in Alaskan things and living off the grid, DIY, like do-it-yourself kind of stuff. Really cool channel, but we wanted to feature the My Alaskan Dream channel just for you guys, just to give you a shout out. If you want to be featured on the Creator Spotlight, all you have to do is in the link below, you will see a link for the Creator Spotlight. Fill out that form. You can do it for yourself, your own channel. You can do it for another. It doesn't cost you anything. We just like to feature channels and help spread the love on good quality content for creators here on YouTube, guys. But that being said, we will go back to our scheduled content. But this is how you know the show's live, folks. But this is Alexa, the Tubebuddy skill. So cool that the guys over at Tubebuddy are just thinking progressively. And I think what this says more than anything, guys, is not that, you know, I mean, because it's fairly novel, right? The convenience factor, no doubt. But I think what this says more is Tubebuddy as a company, right? Is this is the kind of innovation that you want in a company. This is the kind of innovation that us as creators can get behind. This is the kind of innovation that's going to drive this industry forward and do some really interesting and cool things. Because, you know, us as creators, we do all kinds of, you know, new and interesting things all the time that pave the way. And, you know, this is going to get people thinking creatively. This is going to get people thinking about data and checking their statistics and, you know, how to apply those. And that is awesome. Yeah, there's only a few skills right now, but I imagine that Tubebuddy is going to be expanding those here in the near future, which is just so cool. So excuse the cat in my home studio office here, but that's funny. If you do want to check out any of these links, I'll leave them in the description below to Tubebuddy. I'll also leave my Tubebuddy affiliate. It doesn't cost you anything else if you if you are not using Tubebuddy, you can get it through that affiliate link. It helps out us on this channel. It doesn't cost you anything extra. Go give Tubebuddy a shout. Tell them the analytics guy sent you, and we will see you in the next video.